Discover the meaning behind Swan Song. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fascinating phrase to explore. Swan Song. This expression has a rich history and a metaphorical meaning that's often used in music, literature, and everyday conversation. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Swan Song means and how to use it correctly in English. So, let's dive in. The phrase, Swan Song, refers to a final gesture or performance given by someone just before retiring or the end of their career. It comes from an ancient belief that swans are silent throughout their lives until they sing one beautiful song just before dying. Although this belief is mythical and not based on biological fact, the metaphor stuck. In modern usage, a swan song doesn't necessarily mean someone is about to die. Rather, it's used to denote the last act or effort someone puts forth. For example, an author's last book before they stop writing, or an athlete's last game before retirement, can be considered their swan songs. The concept of a swan song can be traced back to ancient Greece. The Greek philosopher Plato mentioned the swan's final song in his dialogue, Phaedo. Later, the phrase was popularized in literature by the likes of Shakespeare and Goethe, among others, who used it to imbue their works with a sense of poignancy at the end of a character's journey. Now that you know what Swan Song means, let's put it into practice. Here are some examples. 1. The veteran journalist received a standing ovation for his documentary, which was his swan song after a long and illustrious career. 2. The singer's farewell concert is being billed as her swan song, and tickets sold out in minutes. 3. Many artists hope their swan song will be a lasting legacy of their life's work. When you use this phrase, it often carries a tone of respect and nostalgia for the person's past contributions. It can also imply a final attempt to achieve something great or leave a lasting impression. And that's a wrap on Swan Song. Now you can add this expressive phrase to your English vocabulary and use it to describe a final act of creation or performance. It's a poetic way to acknowledge someone's last contribution to their field. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Don't forget to hit the like button if you learned something new and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.